Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView to MetaTrader 4. First, understand that direct integration isn't built in, so we'll use a bridge. Begin by ensuring your MetaTrader 4 platform is ready for external connections. This often involves checking your broker's terms and any necessary API access. We'll walk through the essential steps to get these powerful platforms working together seamlessly for your trading strategy. Next, selecting the right bridge software is crucial for a stable connection. Look for reputable providers offering low latency and robust features. Compare their pricing models and ensure the software is compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS. Reading user reviews can also provide valuable insights into performance and reliability, helping you make an informed decision for your trading setup. Once you've chosen your bridge, install the software on your computer. Follow the provider's instructions carefully for installation. The next critical step is configuring your API keys and account credentials within the bridge software. Accuracy here is vital for a secure and functional link. Before live trading, always test the connection thoroughly with a demo account to ensure everything is working as expected. After setup, continuously monitor your trades and the connection status between TradingView and MetaTrader 4. Be prepared to troubleshoot common issues such as temporary disconnections or data delays, which can sometimes occur. Refer to your bridge provider's support resources for solutions. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep a breeze, along with other great deals. Keeping your trading environment stable is key to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.